Experiential learning at UNBC goes beyond the classroom. International exchanges, field schools, and cooperative education at UNBC enable you to earn a degree while gaining invaluable experience and practical skills that will be with you for years to come. UNBC's international exchanges and study abroad options include partnerships with 35 different institutions in 15 different countries. Exchanges enable you to immerse yourself in different cultures and communities around the world. What's great about UNBC exchanges is no matter what partner institution you choose, you still pay UNBC tuition. Not up for an exchange? Field schools are a unique opportunity where you can study applicable skills in, you guessed it, the field. You can apply practical skills you learned in the classroom to research projects happening right in your own backyard, or go as far as Europe or South America for in-depth social or cultural studies. With 17 different programs offering field schools, there is a field school for practically everyone. Other life-changing experiences can happen through our co-op education program, where you gain actual work experiences aligned with your academic studies. Take a semester off school and get paid for real-world experiences. And finally, some of our programs, such as nursing, social work, and education, have work experience built into the curriculum. In fact, most of our graduates have job offers before they graduate. Take advantage of these hands-on learning options that are available to you. At UNBC, you'll earn more than a degree. You'll have an experience like no other.